YouTube, what's the word with y'all, man? What's the word? You know who it is. Don't need no intro. So, yeah, today was a no trade day. It's my off day, but I decided to make a little video for you guys. And this is my A plus and B plus trading setups. These are the trades that I will take no matter what. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so we all know I trade the Judas swing strategy. Price takes previous session liquidity, break structure, and we get in with the trade. In my past few videos, I've been saying I've been using the DXY, which I will be using a lot more because the DXY kept me out of a bad trade Monday, was in confluence with my winning trade Tuesday, and kept me out of a bad trade yesterday. So I'm definitely using the DXY a whole lot more. So, but again, the DXY had lined up with my win that I had Tuesday. So let's go over Tuesday, which Tuesday is a plus setup. For my A plus setups, both my Forex pairs and the DXY needs to be in their respective trend. For example, when you zoom out on the DXY, it's in an uptrend. And when you zoom out on, let's just say my Forex pair, Euro, USD, it's in a downtrend. So that is a plus setup. And both pairs swept previous session liquidity and then reversed in their direction. So Tuesday, right? Wake up, boom. We get our liquidity sweep on the Euro. Where am I at? Tuesday. Cool. DXY so the lows, reverse to the upside. Euro swept the highs, reverse to the downside. Got the breaker structure level right here. Which one was it? Right here. Breaker structure in the trade. My stop loss was like right here. Boom. Hit TP. But again, the DXY was in confluence. Okay. Broke structure. I'm sorry, sub liquidity. Broke structure right here. Hold on. Yep, broke structure right here. A little bit of drawdown, but the same drawdown happened on EU. See, the same drawdown happened on EU. These guys, like the DXY and EU and GU, like mirrored each other but opposite. So again, when the Dixie goes up, EUG goes down, and this is the A plus setup because again, look at that. EU's in the downtrend, the Dixie's in the uptrend. This is my A plus setup when both instruments align with their respective trends. Now, can I still lose with the A plus setup? You damn right I can. Shit, I almost lost Tuesday. But I mean, hey, I let the probabilities play out, and they played out. All right, let's go over a B plus setup. A B plus setup I will still take, but a B plus setup is a counter trend setup. So let's go to yesterday. All right, yesterday. So B plus setup, counter trend setup, but I will take a counter trend setup if two things happen. One, did the DXY, so okay, first of all, you got to understand market structure. Price just doesn't go up or go down all day. It has to pull back and make structure. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, vice versa. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It has to pull back. It doesn't just go straight up all day. So, like I said yesterday in my latest video, I was going to take this EU buy. Let me see. because we broke London lows right here. Boom. We broke London lows, but we're not really going with the trend. We're still downtrending. So this is a counter trend setup. So it's a high risk setup, but I'll still take it because I've taken a lot of these kind of trend setups and they've hit. So boom, swap liquidity. Oh shit, way down here. My bad. Yeah, right here. Swap. Okay. On the DXY, it broke the highs. Cool. Now, what I was looking for yesterday on the Dixie was a pullback. And it kind of pulled back, but not really. It didn't really break any structure. But my other tip, so there's two things I look for again. Market structure, pullbacks, and are there gaps above and below price? So DXY, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. I was waiting for a higher low, but it never did. But what's keeping me like, okay, I can still get in this trade. Look at these gaps. Look at these gaps, man. They gotta fill these gaps in. They gotta fill these gaps in. Now, we don't know when they're going to fill these gaps in. It can be today, it can be tomorrow, it can be 2 days later. But the gaps gotta get filled. And look at this. Point blank period right here. So get this, we get these huge candles up, right? Look at all these gaps right here. What happened? Price came down, filled it to the T, bro. Not only that, well, one small gap right here got filled, and what happened? Price took off. Look at these gaps. Look to the right, price filled it. Look at these gaps right here. Look to the right, price filled it. These are imbalanced candles in the market, bro. Like there's orders sitting right here. They gotta get filled, and they got filled and rejected. So I was hoping, okay, it could happen to Dixie yesterday, and if the Dixie fills in these gaps, well, EU is going to shoot up. This is my B plus setup, so I will take this trade. Again, high risk B plus, I will take it if the two things are met on the Dixie. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got today. This is just a quick little video. Again, no trade day. Just I feel like making a video for you guys. So again, A plus setups. Both pairs are in their respective trends. B plus setup. It's a counter trend setup, but there's market structure being formed, and there's gaps above and below price that need to get filled. I'm taking it. So, yep, that's all I got for you guys today. I'll see you guys Monday. As always, stay lit. See y'all Monday.